Scan for Sovi and straight A's only. Let's go! Quantity theory questions get easy fast when you track what changes the money supply long run. So watch this and lock in the right choice. So the setup, reserves are limited, so banks cannot massively expand lending on their own. That means lasting inflation needs a sustained increase in the money supply itself. Now test the choices. If the central bank keeps buying government bonds, it injects money into the banking system repeatedly, which raises the money supply over time and fits quantity theory. The other choices do not create sustained money growth here, so they may affect spending or reserves temporarily, but they do not drive long-run inflation. Well done, option A. Scan now. Avoid rushing signs. Trust the given condition about limited reserves and check which action steadily expands money supply.